The time has come, umabot ng panahon. The time is clamoring for a change, for a socio-political and economic upliftment of entire province of Muslim. So, with this unification of political forces, this is advantageous to the people of San Fernando. Dili ka-advantageous sa grupo Sanco, Bravo, kag mga politika dili. Kundi this is advantageous to the people of San Fernando. Bakit? So, with this unification that we have, because I do believe that in oneness there is a strength, may kusog. So, in unity, there is progress. Nag-unite ang duha ng grupo. So therefore, they can pour a couple of billions of pesos of infrastructure development in the municipality of San Fernando. Mabutang na yan sinpundo, sila mayor. Mabutang man sinpundo si Richard as an incoming governor. Mabutang man ako sinpundo, konsultihon man ako dili sa primero distrito. So therefore, with this three, ini nga tulo, 101% with no percentage error occur, that there will be a tremendous change in the municipality of San Fernando as far as infrastructure development is concerned. We have agreed with the group of Marbi in Cebu. Dahil in unification of political forces like this, one should sacrifice. I have convinced, not only convinced, but appeal to the group of the Homo na kung pwede ihatag-anay na ito ini na pulir o na pabor pakadi sa grupo ni Damar, ni Byron.